Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear printer queue or delete printer spooler in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for services. Once you have typed it, proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. If your user account control asks you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to run this services window. Okay. Here you need to select any of the service or system and type P so that you would be redirected to the service or system starting with letter P. Where here you need to go with printer spooler, click on it and do a right click, go with properties. And here you need to go with service status and stopped it. In my case, it is already being stopped, but in your case, if not, then simply click on the stopped icon. In my case, it is already grayed out since I have already stopped it. Okay, so click on stopped, and once you have stopped it, go with apply and okay. Once you are done with the services, close this window and proceed to our next method. Our next method would be you need to open your File Explorer, and once you are here at the File Explorer window, please proceed with your C drive or local disk. Double tap to it, and you need to go with Windows. Okay? So double tap here, and under the Windows file folder, you need to scroll down and look for a file folder named System32. So I can see it here next to System. Double tap to it. Okay? And under the System 32, you need to scroll down and look for a file named Spooler. So scroll down and look for it. Or spool rather, okay? So once you have find it, double tap to it. And under the spool file folder, you need to look for a file folder named printers. Double tap to it. And you would be able to see file data or datas here. You just have to select the whole by pressing Control A, or you can drag the cursor to select it. Okay. In my case, it says there this folder is empty since I have already cleared it out. Okay. But in your case, if not, drag it and go with delete to go to this trash icon to delete, or you can simply press shift to delete and it will delete it. Once done, close this window and go back to your services. So at the bottom search bar, please type again services, and here go with the best match and click on open to continue. Your user account control will ask you again to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this window. Where here you need to select any of the service or system, type P again, and go with print spooler. Now we need to start the service. So please do a right click, go with properties, and click on start. Wait until this will be done, and once you have started it, the service status will change into running. Click on OK to continue and close this window. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.